Hi everyone, myself Prithvi. Today I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about another dividend trick which I will be playing on the July 8th itself. That company which I will be playing a dividend trick, that company is known as Bajaj Auto. So the Bajaj Auto company has declared a dividend of 140 rupees per share. So they have set an ex-dividend date on July 8th. The person who is going to buy this share on July 7th or the before who has all bought, he is being eligible to get the dividend of 140 rupees. So the dividend yield which is coming for the stock is 3.3 percentage, so which is well good. So the company is currently trading around 4170 around mark. So how we should play a dividend trick, so it is very much important. So on the ex-dividend rate, everyone know the stock is automatically going to open lower than the previous day closing. So how to act smart to get out with a profit, so what we are making. So that one is a very important point. For that, I have made an analysis on the chart analysis. So we have to take a price action of this kind of a companies, how the stock has reacted on the previous dividend ex-dividend date. So in the previously, the company has announced a 120 rupees dividend date in 2020. So because of the COVID reasons in the March, the stock was actually collapsing and the stock market itself was collapsing. So because of that reason, I have not taken that price actions. So that is the reason. Next, in the 2019, the company has announced a dividend of 60 rupees per share. So in the 60 rupees per share, when the company has announced in July 11th, they have set an ex-dividend date. So during that time, the stock was trading around 2750. So previous 2-3 trading session before the ex-dividend date, the stock has corrected by 150 rupees. So usually before the dividend, the stock price usually corrects. So this is what the scenario of Bajaj Auto. So similarly now the stock pattern suggesting that it is going to be correcting by 100 to 120 rupees in the next 2 to 3 trading session. If that is the case, it is an extremely very good opportunity for all of you guys to pick this kind of a fundamental good stocks. If you know, I have made a video on this stock on February or March. So in that time I have told you this was trading around 3500 rupees. So I have told you this company is going to come up with dividend of 140 rupees per share. I have told you then and there itself to buy the stock is a well risk reward stock to hold. So on that time the people has taken the stock, they have been rewarded well good. So that's one of the very important part. So coming to the dividend trick. So on that ex-dividend take, the stock price opened 20 rupees lower. So that one very important point. On the previous day of July 11th, so the previous closing price was 2750 rupees per share. On the next day, it has been opened 20 rupees lower only. Still the dividend is 60 rupees minus 20 rupees, still the 40 rupees is the profit. If you are going to sell in the opening of the trade, you will be entitled to get 40 rupees per share. There is no loss for you. So only playing a one-day trick is well good. So I want to tell you the risk is involved in this kind of a trick. So as I will explain to you in the HPCL video, so this one I am going to tell you to make a note why big peoples are not going to play this kind of a dividend trick. I want to tell you the real fact. So big peoples like HNI, high net worth individuals, they will be having a crores to crores of rupees. They will going to invest in the crores of 5 crore, 10 crore. So if they want to invest in the 5 crore and 10 crores, the volumes will be higher. So because first reason why they will not going to play this kind of a dividend trick is that, so first reason, their income tax slab. The income tax slab for them was 42%. 42% income tax slab. So if they earn 140 rupees per dividend share, it is off of the money will going to be paid to the tax itself. So the next is the discounting of the price in the ex-dividend date. It is going to open lower, so that risk is involved. So because of all these kind of a concerns, trading charges and all. And next, another one big concern is that if they want to sell the big quantities, so to in the market, who is the buyer for them? So like us retail investors, we are going to put our money 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, maximum 5, maximum 10 lakh. So that is the capability of a retail investor. which we will going to put money into the stock market. We will going to make a 2 to 3% profit out of 1 lakh or 10 lakh and get out of the market. There will be a buyer of 5 to 6 lakh, so that you will not be having a liquidity concerns in the market. So because of that reason, the HNI investors will not going to focus on this kind of a silly things, but it is a silly things for them. For retail investors like us, it is one of the good opportunity. It is one of the smart thinking in the stock market. So I think I made you clear why this dividend trick works out. So if anybody wants to buy the Bajaj Auto company's stock, please, I prefer you to buy the stock on July 7th, 3:15 to 3:30 p.m. If you buy the stock on 3:15 to 3:30 p.m., so you will be getting a dividend on July 8th. Don't worry, you will be entitled to get the July 8th. If you sell the stock at July 8th morning 9:50 p.m. also. So you will be entitled to get that dividend. But why I am preferring only 3:15 to 3:30 p.m. because that the stock price will going to be correcting in the previous day of ex-dividend date. Definitely, I think I am focusing on that. So if it correct, so all the leveraged positions, all the intraday positions will be taken out before 3:15. 3:15, all the intraday positions will be closer. So only 3:15 to 3:30, the people with the cash, they will going to put their cash, hard cash, and they will going to buy the shares of the companies. So that is an actual scenario where you can put, and also you will not be having so much of risk of the market volatility, what will be happening in the live trading sessions. Only 15 minutes of trading sessions, you will amount what you will going to put on the stock, that is been risk. That is not the biggest concern. On the morning you can sell. So that is one of the dividend trick which I want to tell. So I think I have made you clear about the Bajaj Auto, and the previous video, the HPCL, the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. These two stocks will be having ex-dividend date on July 8th. So please, I am not a SEBI registered person. Please consult your financial planner, consult your financial advisors, so that you're going to take a good decisions in the stock market. I am only revealing a dividend trick for you. It is your wish to take any kind of a investment decision. So please do like and subscribe to my channel for the further fundamental analysis which I will be doing, and a dividend trick which I will be doing. Till next video, bye bye.